Today I'm daring myself to mix beetroot with lemon, carrots, and ginger juice. Let's see if this crazy combo is a delicious hit or a total fail. This concoction has been buzzing in health circles, with many swearing by its incredible benefits. We've all been there, feeling sluggish, dealing with skin issues, or struggling with digestion. It's easy to reach for medication or supplements, but what if I told you that some natural juices could serve as remedies or even preventive measures? The idea isn't to replace medical treatment, but to complement it with something straight from nature. The concept of using natural ingredients to boost health isn't new. For centuries, people have turned to herbs, fruits, and vegetables to feel better. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to forget about these simple solutions. That's why I'm excited to explore this particular mix. Beetroot, for instance, is known for its blood-purifying properties. It's rich in antioxidants and can help lower blood pressure. Lemons, on the other hand, are fantastic for digestion and have a cleansing effect on the liver. Carrots are packed with vitamin A, which is amazing for your skin and eyesight. And ginger, well, ginger is a powerhouse for digestion and reducing inflammation. When you combine these ingredients, the potential health benefits multiply. The antioxidants in beetroot and carrots work together to combat free radicals in your body. The vitamin A from the carrots, along with the cleansing properties of lemon and ginger, could leave your skin looking clearer and more radiant. Plus, the digestive benefits from the lemon and ginger mean this juice could become your gut's best friend. Making this juice is surprisingly straightforward. You'll need a few beetroot roots, a couple of lemons, a bunch of carrots, and a piece of ginger. Peel and chop them up, then feed them into your juicer. The flavor combination might sound intimidating, but trust me, it's quite unique. The earthiness of the beetroot and carrots balances out with the zing of the lemon and ginger. The first sip is definitely a surprise. The beetroot gives it a deep, earthy tone, while the carrots add a bit of sweetness. The lemon and ginger cut through, leaving you with a refreshing aftertaste that makes you want another sip. It's an acquired taste, perhaps, but one that grows on you. In conclusion, mixing beetroot with lemon, carrots, and ginger juice offers a host of health benefits, from improved digestion and clearer skin to better blood pressure management. And the best part? It tastes surprisingly good. If you've tried this combo or have a favorite natural juice recipe, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Also, if you're interested in more health-related content, be sure to check out my video on the benefits of green smoothies. Link is in the description, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.